So on the section of how to analyze a winning product, let's talk about some of the actual theory put into practice. So the first example is going to be just a pet product, so I can show you this in motion. So let's just say that we're going to sell this product over here. This is a waterproof cat pet litter mat which we use, which allows cats to make mess on this, and basically it's just an all-in-one cool pet product, right? So let's say we were selling this for an example, and I really like this particular product. Well, what if I want to find this product elsewhere? I could right click and press save image, and I could go ahead and download this image onto my computer. Also, I could copy and paste this pet cat litter mat and just press copy, the main key phrase from this product, and I could go into Google over here and I could paste this search term, which is the product name which I want to find more of. And then this is how we would find a competitor to see if other people are actually selling this product, and to give us some ideas. We type in plus after, and then we type in myshopify.com, and this allows us to filter all of our search terms to Shopify stores. So the only things which will come up are going to be stores which were made with Shopify. So it's going to be .myshopify.com, okay? So this won't filter stores which have a real domain name like petproducts.com. It's always going to be something like petproducts.myshopify.com, but it does show us mainly dropshipping stores, okay? Now it does come up with a few .coms and .co.uk's on some other pages, but it shows us more .shopify shop pages, but it will also show other addresses too, just less frequently. And then we can go onto some of these websites and we can find dropshipping stores which are already selling this exact same product, which we've actually searched for, and it actually happens to be the exact same one we found on AliExpress. So this is how we actually find competitor stores selling specific products that we've already found. So this is great for product research and product analysis. Now to do a very similar thing, we can go on Google image search. Let's just say we're on Google image search and I just type in a random phrase and we've not really searched anything. There's this little button here. This is this little camera button, right? And we can press upload file, and this allows us to upload a file from our computer. Now I've downloaded the file over here. You would just press show all files or upload depending on what browser you have. And I'm going to select this product picture which I downloaded from AliExpress. And now Google is going to search for this online to try and find this picture. So it's going to attempt to search this on loads of websites. And you can see it's found on a ton of websites. It's found on amazon.co.uk. So if I wanted to order this, I could order this from Amazon and get it delivered in 1 to 2 days directly to my door. So then I could record some videos or ads with it without having to wait the long shipping times on AliExpress. So I could get that product to test the quality very quickly because I found it on Amazon now, and it also shows loads of different stores where we can actually find this, as well as other suppliers instead of AliExpress. So this is how to actually find products that you found on AliExpress, find competitor stores, potentially alternative suppliers, and also the Amazon pages for quicker shipping just by using the image which you saved.